This is the new K2 HE Resin Edition, a luminous keyboard that feels straight out of another reality. Glossy resin shell with frosted translucent keycaps for a clean, futuristic glow. Magnetic switches deliver fast, precise keystrokes powered by accurate TMR sensors. Customize keys, macros, and lighting through the online configurator. Adjust actuation from 0.2 to 3.8 millimeters to match your gameplay. Rapid trigger enables faster resets, while analog mode offers smooth in-game control. Wireless performance up to 1000 Hz with 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth for Mac and Windows. Light up your setup. Own the future. Available now at keycron.com.